The program is quite interesting and entertaining. And last year too I was here, and even it makes the students to be happy that the community is celebrating them. And we appreciate the Oba of Ibeju for organizing this wonderful program to celebrate our children, because they are the leaders of tomorrow. Organizing a program like this, we make them to feel among in the society and want to do more, because we are recognizing them, we are celebrating them on this Children Day. So it's a quite interesting program, and if other community as well can also try and organize something like this for their children in the community, is to go a long way to motivate children in trying to give back to the society in whatever thing they have. And the march past, the activities, the events they presented today, even the cultural dance, is also a way of nurturing talent, because we have many children among them that this especially the art students that want to follow this career path. It will quite encourage them and inspire them to continue to follow that path. We appreciate the king Olayemi Oguntimeyin Arole One for organizing this wonderful and entertaining program. So we really appreciate them, and we look forward for more events like this that will make the children to feel among, and we motivate them to follow any of their career paths in which they choose, because aside for the entertainment, they really learn a lot of things in the program. So we want more of this kind of educative program in this community.